Rajiv Tuli, did the RSS expect this kind of backlash to Mohan Bhagwat's statement? Did you expect this kind of backlash to Mohan Bhagwat's statement, Mr. Tuli?
I did. Because the statement was made
just
by
question is to Mr. Tuli.
Yeah, we expected it very much, because the only thing that he has said is that those who have a TFR of less than 2.1, they should bring it to 2.1, and those who have it more than 2.1, they should bring it down to 2.1. Yeah. That is what he has said. And the people who have जिनका एक ulterior motive है, जिनको ये लगता है कि हमें अपनी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा करके ओवैसी साहब को देश का प्रधानमंत्री बनाना है, they are definitely going to give us.
Are you saying Mr. Suleiman has ulterior motive?
This is what he's their motive.
Mr. Suleiman.
I don't know. He have to. I don't know. He have to tell. He have to explain. If he says he doesn't have a problem with Muslim population rising and Muslim becoming the majority in this country, I think we should question his motives.
What is your ulterior motive, sir? Is it to increase the Muslim population?
Actually, no Muslim in India has any motive to become prime minister, rule the country. But of course, we want those who are deprived, marginalized, and those who have not.
Arnav have read the statement. Arnav have read the statement of AIMIM leader.
That's their constitutional right.
And you are representing All India Muslim Law Board. You are not representing any other organization than the organization who represents Muslims.
What's wrong? Can you answer me what's wrong if a Muslim becomes prime minister tomorrow?
No, nothing.
Prime minister. What's wrong in Muslim having a prime minister? A Muslim prime minister. What's wrong in that?
Actually, it's not fact. People who are less educated, who are poor, who are marginalized.
Sharda ji has reiterated that once the population of Muslim was 24% in 1947, one third of the country was given. One third of country is gone.
It's not fact. It's not fact. It's not.
And look what happened to the remaining population in minority population in Pakistan and Bangladesh. What is happening recently in Bangladesh?
You are blowing everything out of proportion.
What have happened in Jammu and Kashmir? Just look at that.
Hindu Muslim. That's your agenda. That's your mindset. And you can't help.
Are you representing any other organization than Muslim Personal Law Board?
We are representing India as a whole.
You should resign from All India Muslim Law Board and then start talking about this.
You are representing.
No, I am not representing the upper middle class. I am representing the Sakal Hindu Samaj.
He is representing the RSS, so he is very clear about it. And the RSS represents the interests of the Hindu community. RSS represents national interests, but primarily the interests of the Hindu community. He is clear about it.
Yeah, yes.
There's no hypocrisy there.
We are talking what is in national interest.
No, I think this needs to be an ongoing debate. Radan Shahda, Rajiv Tuli, Mohammad Suleiman and Sheikh Amir. We cannot disregard the fact that all communities must contribute equally when it comes to balancing the fertility rate of the country. As of now, Muslim TFR is much higher than Hindu TFR. Both need to come around the same level, and then we need to be able to multiply not less than 2